Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you how you cook out in the middle of nowhere when you have fire restrictions and you can't use charcoal or campfires or any of that kind of stuff. We just got done climbing this mountain over here. That was a heck of a drive. Long drive out there, heck of a climb. If you want to see that video, it's on Solar Powered Adventures. It probably won't be on there for a minute because it takes a long time to edit, but that's where it will be. So we drove this golf cart out there. It was a really rough road. I'm glad that I got all these beefed up. The solar panels are super beefed up now. 1200 watts of solar on here. All the aluminum, I had to replace it because it was all just too weak and it actually broke. But we are powered with a big battery Husky 2 on here. This has been a great battery. That's connected to the EG4 3000 watt inverter over here. With this much solar, it charged the golf cart up all the way to 100%. It was like 70% when we parked the golf cart. By the time we got down the mountain, we was up to 100% charge on this. And then we drove out here. I'm not sure what the percentage is right now, but it's plenty of power. So here we've got a hot plate. This takes about 1,000 watts to run. And we're making hot pot here. This is hot and spicy, and then this is miso. And we've got some broccoli and mushrooms, some noodles. Got shrimp over here that's going in there. Some beef that I thinly sliced here.
I dipped the chopstick in. I just tried the oils.
Yeah, it's hot.
Got some burn to it. This stuff's always ready. Thomas, put mushrooms in there.
I have one hand. I don't want to talk about it.
Wait,
Wait.
what are you doing?
Wait, do you want them in the miso or the?
Both.
So you start putting food in.
Get the food in here. We're starving.
I'm not that starved.
Yeah, now it's cherry red. Look at that. Well, this
How do we heat this
This
up?
side's pretty cherry, right?
Oh, we just keep it close.
No. Ah.
Oh,
Pretty warm. Pretty warm.
Yep. Starting to get some done right there. So we're calling it hot pot. Maybe it's shabu shabu. I don't know. Japanese is hot pot. Chinese is shabu shabu. So yeah, it's American. Let's call it boiling food.
Right on.
All you can eat hot pot in the middle of nowhere.
I wouldn't say that much.
I'll eat all that one.
All you should eat hot pot. Is there some broccoli in there getting soaked up with hotness?
You got any broccoli in the not hot one?
It's burning me.
Maybe it's finally warm enough.
Where's our garlic? Butter.
We're slowly melting it.
And that's how you cook out in the middle of nowhere when you have fire restrictions. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.